Check it out. It's the Sharper Image Tower Fan, and this is going to be a product that you're really going to enjoy. It's got triple fan power, a sleek ultra-thin flat profile, triple cooling zone control with 3 independent fans. It's whisper quiet, oscillating. It's got an easy touch control panel that's very simple to use with 3 different wind speeds, an auto off timer that can go up to 8 hours, a remote control. It stands 44 inches high. This is the Sharper Image Tower Fan. Once you have one of these, you're going to wonder how you lived without it. You got to go to sharperimage.com.